Hey guys, I bought a Honda Fury. It's a 2013 model, and I got it this morning. It only had 725 miles in it. Now, it didn't look like this. Now it kind of sort of looks good. You guys can still see my toilet there. Um, it didn't look this good and shiny a while ago. Matter of fact, it was just covered in what it looks like cow manure. Uh, I bought this from a farm. They just had it under a shed, covered up, with a bike cover. And this thing was just covered in muck. I mean, thick dirt. The pipes were all rusty and pitted. That's got oxidation on it too. The bike wasn't shiny at all until after I washed it and polished it. I spent maybe about 3 or 4 hours now polishing it. It's got rust spots still, in these areas. Areas like those. Areas like that. Areas like those. Those I'm gonna have to disassemble the headlight because they won't come off. Oh damn, y'all can look at my muscles. Damn, I'm ripped. Actually, it's just a t-shirt that has muscle print on it. It's kind of funny. But this was really dull. So what I did was use polish, car polish, and then really cleaned her up. Oh man, look at my muscles. I don't know if you guys can see the oxidation. It's a lot better than what it was this morning. It was just all blurry and pitted with oxidation. So imagine all that crap on the plastic chrome. It was just covered in white muck. You can still see some over here. It's kind of stubborn. Honda. This is a 2013 Fury. I got it, like I said, this morning. I found it on OfferUp. I was looking for a Vespa GTS 300, then I saw this, and I lowballed the guy, and he said, "Why not?" So I went ahead for it, and came out pretty good. Just a little bit of repairs, a little bit of work, then it's gonna look good. I mean, it's not perfect, but I mean the price is less than half of how much these things cost brand new. So it's not too bad. The rust spots on that's nothing. I have all the tools that I need and chemicals that I need to remove all those. It's just gonna take time, which I have plenty of because I'm working from home most of the time now. I don't travel as much because of COVID. See, this needs to be replaced. Maybe not. I spent maybe 10 minutes polishing the headlight. Looks a lot better now. That looks amazing now. That was blurry as hell this morning. It was cloudy. I haven't touched this yet, so I'm gonna polish that up. I just peeled off the sticker here. It was just faded. So I'm gonna use rubbing alcohol on this thing. It'll just wipe off immediately. Y'all can also use gasoline. Goo Gone for those people who want to be careful with their paint, but that shit takes forever. I don't have the patience for that. You can see the brake fluid. It's black. That's gonna be replaced. I have I have I have all the tools that I need. The oil. Oh my gosh. Freaking oil. I haven't even opened this thing yet, but surprisingly it's pretty clean. But I'm still gonna change it. It's been sitting for 7 years under a shed in a farm, and I swear, oh my god, I guess they were riding this on the mud or something, but this thing smelled like cow shit, I swear. I mean, this bike was covered in this muck right here. I got most of it out. I mean, this thing's got aftermarket slip-on exhaust. It's got Vance and Hines. Let me go to the other side. I think this is where the cow shit is. You know, I tried hitting that with a hose. Got most of it out. Mystery hole. But really surprised the tires, they don't have any cracks. I probably know why. It's because it's not a Michelin tires. Michelin tires are notorious for cracking. I don't know why. I like how they ride, but they crack. You know, they don't last under the sun. Over here, it looks like somebody touched the pipes when it was still hot. So it kind of melted plastic here, I think. Here's the bike in a different angle. Looks pretty good. Oh. I'm gonna get the keys so I can start this thing. Y'all just hang tight. Hang tight. I'm gonna leave the camera here. Oh, this looks sketch. I don't have a tripod. I'm using my cell phone here. Alright, that looks good. Hopefully it won't fall. I'm gonna get the keys and start it up. Look how Honda uses tiny ass keys. What the heck? It's probably the smallest motorcycle keys I've ever seen. Alright, I'm gonna go start it. It's got a... I don't think the idle speed is correctly set, so I need to play with it. I think the jets... Good thing this is fuel injected, because if it was carbureted, it wouldn't even run at all. I think the jets are a little bit clogged up. I'm gonna put seafoam in it later, so hopefully it'll clear it up. But it starts right away. All right. Kind of sounds like the idle is not consistent. It's only got 727 miles. Yep, got a good deal on it too. Anyways, this bike, it's got a long rake. I swear it can't turn. Cannot turn at all. But it's very stylish. That's why I got it. Got it because it's stylish. Alright guys.